Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Catherine. I hope all of you guys are doing good. So today we are going to Sarojini Market. It was like very not like a dream, but I always wanted to come to Sarojini for one day for sure. And I didn't thought it would be like this, like coming for training and then we'll be going to Sarojini. I thought maybe one day we'll come to Delhi just for purchase and shopping and all. And my friend is gonna get super mad because we always say like we'll go together. And Anita, I'm so sorry that I'm going without you. It's not like planned or something. It's a need that we have to go. So yeah, and we are done with our breakfast. I'm done with my breakfast. My friends are eating breakfast there, and yeah, we'll go from here. And its temperature is so hot, so we thought we'll go by metro, but since we are like 3 4 5 people, and we thought we'll take a cab together and share the expense, so it will be much better. But na itna garmi mein I can't. I am already allergic. Not allergic. Like once my temperature of the body rises, I get so many rashes all over my body. So I can't tolerate this much heat for a very long time. थोड़ी देर के लिए okay, but I can't tolerate for like a very long period. And if we are going Sarojini, obviously we'll be coming back by evening only. And so without any delay, let's go to Sarojini. So these guys here are eating breakfast. इसके लिए सरोजनी जाना है इसके फॉर्मल्स खरीदने. We will also buy something, but especially going for her only. What's for breakfast? Oh, it's not uttappa. I think it is utpam, something like that. I don't know. I'm not sure. हाँ कैसा था South Indian breakfast? You guys know this dish? I don't know. I'm new to this, but I like the chutney though. It was very spicy. Two. Lisha is full production mode. Yeah. ज़ारा भी है यहाँ पे, मैंने देखा. दिखा ना. So we have good one, and there is trousers also. We bought some trousers. It's like for 350. If you bargain nicely, you can get it for 300, 250 like that. And blazers cost like 450. Again, bargain and get it for nice price. They have nice skirts. I do want to buy, but obviously I can't wear it anywhere. I mean, institute तो नहीं. And obviously Kerala में तो पहन ही नहीं सकते. Looking for blazers, and we found these. It costs like 300, 350, 400 like that. थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ पे नया वाला भी है. So we are planning to buy some. And this is shop number 96. We bought that much, and I also buying two braces. Hope we'll get it's for 350. We are gonna ask for 250. Let's see how it goes. We are sweating like anything. Lisha, wow, she's from UK, America. चलो अभी चेहरा दिख रहा है कैसा. Excuse me. Hello. अभी कहाँ पे जाना है? To go. Yeah. रेट बैग का रेट कितना ये छोटा वाला? 250 है। 250? We came at 12:30 or around 1. We went by 9 o'clock. We were so tired because of the heat and all, so we came and slept. Just woke up. We had tea and a toast. Now I thought I'll show you guys what we bought. Some places we like bargain very nicely and get it with very cheap price. I don't know if it's cheap price or not for you guys, because so many people have experience in bargaining and going in Sarojini Market. It's first time, and it's my first time of bargaining also. So I don't know if it's worth it or not, but don't judge me guys, and also excuse my face, and I'll show you guys what we all bought. I bought this coat set. I really like the print. This is just for house, like pajama purpose. ये टॉप है और ये शॉर्ट्स है. The only thing is that यहाँ पे ट्रायंगल वाला शेप है, but when I'm wearing one leg it is okay, but one leg it's not showing at all. So that is the difference. This they said for 250. And I bought it for 200, and I took one more color change. And so this is the white option. In this the end part is like straight wala cut, triangle वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. And this is the trouser. I love this one more than that. The color is good, but the look wise this white suits better. So we are wearing formals in the training, and I had like 4 places. I thought I'll buy some more, so we bought this blazer. This was shop number. The only problem is like I asked shop number, but even they don't know what is their shop number, so I can't say which shop we bought it. And they initially said 450 for one blazer, and we took, me and other persons took so many together, so we took each for 250, and I think it was like very good, like 250 for one blazer. It was a very good thing, so we bought it. I bought 2 blazers, and this is one of it. This is the other blazer, and I want to pair it with. I bought one black bodycon dress like the same, but I bought it from Amazon, so I thought I'll pair that with this blazer. I looked very good in this, and I really love it. And this का quality is very good. Like it's not like a thin quality. बहुत padded वाला है, and for 250 I felt like this is a really good deal. The next is this dress. We bought it from a store. Like they were saying fixed price. They said it for 400. Bargain नहीं हो रहा था, लेकिन we tried much and much. Yeah, I paid 300 for this. I don't know if it's good. This is the back side, and this is the front side. Back side is the straight cut to the neck part, and here it is a mix shape. And I tried it. It is pretty good. Like body. Next, I bought this pant, trousers, pant or trousers. This was like 150, and we didn't bargain much on this because it was same for a fixed price. And I paid like literally 1,500 in Myntra for a trouser. And comparing to that, I thought 150 is very good, so I didn't bargain at all. I bought this in green olive color, and I bought one in black. And this is the black one. All the sizes were correct because we measured to like this, and it is like correct fit. Other thing is that I already have a black formal pant, but once it goes to the wash, all other dresses that I thought wearing for black pant, it is like you can't wear it. So I thought I'll buy one more black pant. So I have now one black pant, 2 beach pants, and now I bought this olive pants. So yeah, this one zipper I bought because they have coffee machine there in the institute, and I wanted to drink coffee from a very nice zipper. This is glass one, and the quality is the same like we buy online. And in Meesho, it's like 150, 200. They were also selling for 150, and I bought it for the same. So that's all for what I bought. This Lisha bought this. This is a dress. They said 650, right? Yeah, they said for 650. We were taking each like one pieces. I took a coat set of same color. It's a shirt and a pant, and that is not there right now with me. And this is the back side of deep cut hair, and this bow hair tie करने के लिए. And this we bought like 500 each. This is the coat set,
Lisha took same color, same pattern I have in lavender of her dress. This color. This is the shirt and this is the pant. I tried mine, but the problem is that I like long pants, and this is exactly my ankle length, which I don't like that much. And because of that, it looks like a pajama for me, more than a coat set. So I don't think so I'll be wearing it outside. I'll be mostly using it out the inside only. But 500 for a coat set and wearing it is like as a pajama, it's like breaks my heart. This is one shirt. How much you bought it for? 200. What was the original price?
450.
So like that. And this shirt for 150.
No.
How much?
100, I guess 250 or 200.
Okay, so this was for 200. Oh, this was Lisha's choice and Lisha's collection. ये एक dress piece like underneath you can pair it up with the shorts like jean shorts, black या beige या फिर white, it like really bossy fashion vibe. And this is one vest that Lisha bought like to pair it up like underneath the blazer when we are wearing. And it is very soft material and it looks so good on her. And it was for 80 rupees and it was fixed price. उसमें ज़्यादा कम भी नहीं कर पाए. I know people will be saying who could have get it like much lesser price, but we are very bad at bargaining honestly. And this is her first time also. And yeah, this material is so comfy. This is the collection this Rajna bought. The Lisha bought lavender and the same pattern tie करने वाला. Yeah. This is another pant Lisha bought. Same from the stores that we bought, like 150 only. Beach नहीं कहेंगे. I don't know how. It's like not beach, like a little bit darker on that side. Yeah. This is a mesh top. This Rajna bought. They sell for 250. We bought it for 200. That store is that Bhaiya is not at all. Yeah, he's not convincing at all. Like he did get convinced by Bhaiya saying, "Bhaiya, come karo, come karo." But say fixed price, fixed price. Then we were about to leave. Then it's like, okay, we'll get it for 200. Then we bought it. This is black, plain black in the front, and this the gradient of brown or burgundy, I would say, like that in the back. So Rajna bought these tees to wear under blazer. The only problem is like Lisha was about to take this. Lisha was taking so many tops and Lisha was about to take this and he is not ready to reduce the price. Lisha was like, "मुझे नहीं चाहिए ले लो आप." Then she left and on the back Rajna took this.
And he did not even call me back.
It's okay. We guys able to we all stay together now. So this is white one. इसका बहुत color change है. That one was for 200. All of these are for 150 each. Fixed price कम नहीं करेंगे. But this is new one. Sarojini में this thing is that like some pieces is new pieces, some pieces are like second handed. So we would say thrifting for like that. So while do thrifting, the thing is that we went like literally to buy blazers. लेकिन even now also गर्म कपड़े है because like December November तक यहाँ पे ठंडी होगी तो it is coming early. So we couldn't get much blazers and good quality was very less, so it took a lot of time for us to just to find blazers only. So this is another color, dark green, and this is like a sleeveless with a deep neck color, blue, same color change, pastel green, and one more in lavender. One more was there, but here we have to give it for laundry. Laundry has to be given for like before 7 o'clock. So these guys were rushing over. 7 ho gaye. Then they gave the blazers and all to wash because tomorrow is Sunday. It takes 2 days to get our laundry back. So they gave it today so that we can start wearing from Monday. Also, I also have to give. And yeah, I have blazers now to wear, so that is fine. And my dress is also, it's not like I'm literally dying to wear it, also it's fine. So I'll take time, give my laundry and everything, and I'll wear it. So once we go back to my place or once we finish the training and before that we'll go Sarojini and buy unnecessary stuff that we don't even want. But we are girls, we need clothes always. जितना हो कम पड़ जाएगी. So yeah, see you in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye.